disorder, also called SAD, is a type of depression that is estimated to affect 10 million Americans. It occurs at the same time every year, typically around fall and winter. Historically, it was sometimes called winter blues, but now it is understood to be SAD. As the seasons turn from summer to fall and fall to winter, someone with seasonal affective disorder will start to experience depression and spend more time away from others. During the winter months, individuals with seasonal affective disorder tend to eat and sleep more and dwell on their feelings of depression, which makes them worse. Weight gain also is common during these times. Suggested causes of SAD are the lack of sunlight that the winter months provide. It isn't until the winter months move from winter to spring do individuals with SAD start to show less of their depression.
So I've been interested in studying seasonal affective disorder for a couple of reasons. One is that I've been interested in studying how symptoms start from when you go from being not depressed to being depressed, and people with seasonal affective disorder get depressed every year, and so you can study that every year rather than waiting 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 years until someone gets depressed.
Instead of asking people how they tend to be, now using mobile technology, we can ask people, what are you doing now? What are you thinking now? And how are you feeling now? And so this gives us the opportunity to ask people questions multiple times a day in virtual real time about how they're thinking and how they're feeling. And so once we collect this data, we'll be able to analyze it and develop a richer understanding of what goes on in these psychological processes, which will have very direct implications for how we treat people with seasonal depression.
The IPRO team is all the members are really very committed and interested in the project, and so it's exciting to do research with a team rather than just one faculty member doing research by himself, and really brings together a group of people with much broader expertise which we need for this project to be successful.
It's been an opportunity for growth.
It's interesting to work with a bunch of different people from a bunch of different backgrounds.
You have to learn to adapt to the situation and make the best of it.
It's really nice to be able to do something that might actually help people.
And maybe in the future that will make people suffer less.